computer was best depending on what your friends had at school, how expensive your computer was, and how good the games were. So this is a look at some of the games from that era. Released in 1985 to arcades, but later to the home computers, it was highly rated by the magazines of the day. The C64 version even won a Zap Award, and you can see why. The ZX Spectrum version had some huge graphics that were really quite impressive, but a little bit of choppy frame rate there. And the poor Amstrad had small C64 type graphics, and still managed to have choppy frame rate. Not very good at all. And what about the other computers on our list? Well, they were ignored by the games companies of the day, although this release, Buggy Boy, was late into the market. So the other computers have been pretty much forgotten by then. I think it's a clear win for the Commodore 64 on this particular game, but a very good second place for the ZX Spectrum, and bringing up the rear is a bronze for the Amstrad. So of course, 0 points for all the other micros in our list. Coming up in the next video, the next game. Obviously. I'll see you then. Goodbye for now.